So now let's see how we can work around with filters and sort options inside of Evernote. So here you can see that I am in the notebook area right here, and here you can see that I have some notes right here. So if I want to go around and then sort this out in different ways, then you can go around over here and go to the sort options that you can see on the top. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that right now, all of the notes that I have is being sorted according to the date updated. But if I were to click on date created, then what happens is that it gets sorted. That is, the topmost area is the one that I created yesterday, as you can see right here. And the other ones are the ones that I created before that right here. So you can go around and sort it out by date updated, and then you can by date created as well. If you were to sort it out by title, then it sorts out everything alphabetically, where you see the F on the top right here and U at the end, just like this. If you were to go around over here, then you can see that you can go around and show the notes in groups as well. So if I were to go around right here, and if I were to show the notes in group, you can see that like letter F is displayed right here, and this is what you have. That's the letter S, and this is what you see. T, and this is letter T, and so forth right here. If I were to go around on date updated, and if this is enabled, you can see that everything is created in November 22 right here, and date created is November 22 as well. And this is how it displays out the title right here for each of the categories that you select. So another thing that you can do is you can filter out the notes according to how you like as well. For example, if I were to go to add filters, then you can see that I can filter it out by tags that I may have added onto the notes. So currently I haven't added in any tags right here, but let's just go around and filter it out by contains right here. So let's say I want something that contains lists or numbers right here, just like this. Then the notes get filtered out accordingly. So it'll only sort the notes with numbers in it right here if I were to turn on numbers right here. Right now there's nothing, as you can see right here, but you can go around and choose different options that you have, like notes with attachments, notes with checkboxes, notes with dates, and so forth, as you can see just like this. You can go around over here onto let's say created section right here as well, and you can filter out the notes that you created only in the 17th right here, just like this. So you can go around right here, and if you select the date, you can see that this is what you have. So it filters out the notes according to the date that is created right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and clear this, you can see that I can also sort it out by like updated date right here. So I can go around and double click on this, and it'll only sort the notes that I updated in this particular date. But let me just clear this out right here. And what you can also do is under filters, you can apply multiple filters. So if you were to go around over here onto updated date, let's just go around and select 18th of November right here. And I'm just going to go around and say it should contain something else like, let's see, time right here, just like this, and then it'll filter out accordingly right here. In my case, I don't really have much notes, so it's not filtering much, but as you have more and more collection of notes, then it'll be much more easier to see. And that is how you can utilize the filter and sort options inside of Evernote. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.